Wednesday, April 1st, 5:52 p.m. New York time. Welcome back, investors, to Winning Wall Street's Money. We just started the first of the new month, April, as well as the second quarter of the year. We're going to discuss the U.S. dollar index, multiple time frames. The current situation is strong U.S. dollar hurts the U.S. economy because products and services in the United States that are manufactured, exported, those foreigners now have to pay more for our products and services. The risk is, well, they're scaled back in buying our products. Those companies, one of the fastest things they do is cut labor costs. If they start laying people off, unemployment goes higher, closer to recession. As well, commodities are priced in the US dollar, petrodollars, 20-year history. Each candle's a month. The new candle represents the new month. Inside candle currently. But last month, March, look at that big green candle. Made a new high for the year. Higher high, higher low, broke above that inside candle. The trend is currently up on the US dollar. Take it to the weekly. This is a short trading week. This Friday, US federal holiday, the markets are closed. Not a full trading week. Sometimes going into federal holidays, you have a bullish bias, equity market or currency. We're at war. Things are very different. So we're looking here again. 5-year chart, each candle's a week. Here's the low of the year, this yellow horizontal line. Here's the high of the year. Here's the high of last year, that yellow horizontal line. For the new week, higher high. Yep, new high for the year. And the low hasn't taken out the prior low, but what it did, it was a retracement. See this green candle? See that big wick? We retraced midpoint. Buyers stepped in there. Again, this candle's not done till the close of Thursday because it's not a full trading week. And we have buyers willing to buy at the high price. So again, probably is the trend will continue to the upside. Daily chart. Today, lower high, lower low. After that big sell-off yesterday. Yep, yesterday, big red body. Order block up here. I have it labeled a red supply zone. And today, lower low, lower high. Imbalance areas here, midpoint here. We tested both of them. And buyers stepped in here at the midpoint there, that green candle. So even though the trend is down for the past 2 days, look what we're in here. Huge consolidation, staircase pattern, higher high. Big difference than what I'm hearing on the media outlets telling me that the dollar's down. Doesn't tell me that we made an all-time new high the past 2 days, nor that we're in a huge consolidation phase. Huge consolidation phase. The longer it spends in here, the more energy it builds for a breakout one way or the other. Intraday 4-hour chart, the dollar. Let's put this for 10 days. There we go for the past 10 days. So here was Friday, Sunday night open, Monday trending higher, Monday evening, and Tuesday open reversal, trending down. Look at this last green 4-hour candle. Yep, engulfing body. I'm going to zoom in here. This green candle tested this imbalance area. Again, we're building consolidation here. Building consolidation, building energy for the next breakout. Look at that. Big wicks on the minor wicks on the bottom, buyer stepping in there. So again, this imbalance area here, this green line, we came right down there and tested it, building consolidation. Take it to the next, the 1 hour. This was overnight, yesterday evening. That was early this morning. Consolidation, trending down. Regular trading hours today, huge consolidation. Look at these two last green candles. Big, solid bodies, very bullish. This green candle, bullish engulfing. All these shorts are trapped. Now we got a minor retracement. Yep, interesting. So this green candle overlapped the top and bottom of that red candle. Depending on how it comes into there, maybe a bullish entry area. Nice. See how things play out. Might even occur tonight, but I expect likely this week, certainly. Yep. Now I want to take you to the euro. I did 2 day trades today on the euro. Both profits. One was short, one was long. Fast trades. Again, looking at a 1 minute chart here. There was a lot of economic news today too. Oh, maybe I did both of them long. Try to remember. So my second trade, see this green zone? That was my second trade. I was bullish in there. It's a strong demand zone right here on the 1 minute. I extended it out. We came down here. Bullish pin bar, tested it. Nice. Wait for the confirmation because you had a consolidation here. So this consolidation, I was thinking maybe this wick would be retested. And when this white candle means open and close the same. I was thinking, okay, that's suspicious, dodgy. I'm not taking the trade there. Nope. But the next one broke above it. So I went long. And let me zoom in. Sorry for moving so much. Went long here, that green candle. See that next green candle? This huge move up. I closed my trade in that. Took my profits. Nice. Thank goodness I got out there because I was thinking, okay, it didn't take out the highs here. My target was up here originally. It didn't take it out. But during that, I closed it. When I started saw the pullback, I was thinking, yeah, now it might pull back and go back into this wick. It didn't occur. It didn't go back. But it's such a fast move up, so much energy, and the momentum didn't continue up there. Just closed it. Closed my trade. Thank goodness, because look at that big next candle. That was my second one. And let's look where that first one was. So see this this yellow line? My entry was there. See this purple vertical line? I went long there. Yeah, I guess I did both bullish. Yeah, I did both trades bullish. I thought I was doing short. Nope, I did both trades bullish. These are 5 candles on that 5 minute. I'll show you that in a minute. But here, this is the 1 minute candle. Consolidation, breakout. I took my long there. Had my stop down here. And consolidation, but making higher highs, weakness on pullback. Again, this big green candle, strong move up. I closed my trade into their profit. Left some money on the table because the next one went higher, but then sold off. Yep. So those are my 2 trades. Let me put this on the 5 minute. There we go. Now we're on the 5 minute chart. We're just getting to that inside candle right there. And label that big wick there. And here. So I am disappointed when I look at the 5 minute. Again, I went long here and I closed it inside this one. In hindsight, sure, it went a lot higher, but I'm not trading on the 5 minute. I'm doing the 1 minute. And I'm happy. I won both trades. Thank goodness. Thank you as always. Spend a little time with me. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Thank you for your support.